Guys, welcome back to Atrishena TV. You know some of the fear view I meet up with some of my family, them Uncle Robert right here, so I look furious of family them and you know see me no? See me there. He just we see a fire up there, so see ya. Me not see ya. Yeah, me chuno. Me call Chuno. I tell Chuno say me spot Uncle Robert. I'm go video him because I see him talk on phone like in the look for them. And in the look for me and he no see me. Guys, I turn the camera upon him and he saw me. Where? Yeah, they said they soon come out. They said they might come out now. So, I want to press like, I want to share up that video, the happiest moment to come meet up with some family down. I fear everyone thing, guys. So, the rest of them they're over there. So, listen. Yes. Alright, so when I see you on the phone, I say, I call Chuno. And I say, Chuno, I see Uncle Robert, so I hurry up to take out the camera and I say, Chuno, I go video him because he don't see me, that Chuno. You they walk side and me they come so, but you they on the phone. And I say, oh, you don't see me, so I come in front of the car, right? So I come turn up and call Chuno. And I say, oh, you now make me out from back way.
Me look again.
I thought me turn around the camera and show me look right on you, so. Yeah, you looking at your face, you see me.
Let me look good. I said, I look good. Right, but take my phone and get to me a call person.
Yes, I him you go call.
Yes, I'm Mr. Chow, I'm not calling, can't tell me saying soon come.
But see me right here, so I see your Annie and I ear, see me right here, so see me right here. Me want video that the time.
So we go buy one something for me, Teresa, mother. But me got in there for me to me not like, I'm not telling you.
And clean from head to
foot. Definitely.
You see, guys, me out with the family. Happy days out, family days out. So Uncle Robert, and just get trick attack to himself and video my while ago come catch you.
I'm stand up there so.
Yeah, alright.
She did that so.
Yeah, we buy.
Browning, see Uncle Robert at the walk. On the talk on the phone and they say, see me right there, see me right there. And see me here, this stand. Walking, see him here. And me look at me, advice, me make out in me and say that sound like Uncle Robert. So me look at me saying, don't see me. So me go in front of the car, me see man stop back at the car. So me just call Chuno. And me say, Chuno, me out here, so me see Uncle Robert the talk. And me go video him, Chuno say, yes. Me say me I try to take out the camera out of the bag.
So we have to remember my appointment is 5 o'clock. We have to Sunshine Plaza. Your camera.
No.
Oh, not turn on.
You touch it and it comes back. When after you touch it, you come up back.
Oh. Alright, 5:55. Barbie.
Me say you hot, you
you're hot.
Jesus. You know your boyfriend jeans or your
yes, and advertise my company. Please, Jenny's Hair Couture, Sunshine Plaza, Shop 10. Come get the what I say again? Hairstyle meets precision. Top class hairstyle.
Oh, no, here. Okay, affordable cost and she have food. She no have to drink tea.
No, that's not here.
People no food no bother up there. No food no bother up there. She when they run one hair salon where you no need to drink tea. They just come as you yam. Just come as you yam and you get special cream with mild tea.
You can take a picture of us, Uncle Rob.
Things change now.
Please. Yeah. Like you have to stand here. Stand right here. Anyway, we went and we got the printer and I had to hug Uncle Rob.
I want print it. me say?
Hey, Chuno.
Yeah?
We have to get the cake, carry up a rubber and left the cake, make the cake stay there.
I agree.
Wine.
Yeah.
The cake, man, the cake first. Because we can, you know.
Yeah, because Mega Mart is right there.
Yeah, so we get the
We
cake.
get the cake first and then we go in town.
Yeah, but I will let have Shana for we.
No, but Shana go downtown.
You know have to go for the bank.
Next time you know do it here, the next time you drive you right and properly now so man.
I said, oh, come on, now, no filter.
Next time you know do it lady. Next time you know do it man. Next time you know do it lady.
Nasty woman.
Next time you know do it.
The woman drive for suicide on that quarter road.
Next time you know do it lady. Next time you know do it man. You go.
I said nasty woman. When none know how to go and better. When none know how to be a better.
Take off the iron.
Mr. Guys, Mr. Guys. One heap of pasta. After we out of here, we are while ago, you look like you in the power fast mood, you know. So when I get to hear the what did I say? But to the series still, reach a Mega Mart.
Right now,
Uncle Robert hungry.
Yeah, hungry. I'm gonna go buy cake and all.
Should we get out? Oh, we have to wait. Okay.
Don't come out. Don't come out. Don't come out, girls. Don't come out. Don't come out.
We're not coming out. We're not coming out.
Don't come out.
We're not coming out.
You guys should be so fortunate. You're rolling with so many nice ladies.
Sure.
Can I tell you?
Be a stars.
Be a star.
Uno
Everybody has
doctors,
stars.
hairdressers, stars.
Yeah. You come in,
Wind up the glass, wind up the window.
The window them.
I don't know why not.
Yeah, wind
The
up.
back one them.
I got enough stock at the car.
No, you have.
Just spin the key.
Wind up the back one too.
So with the Mega Mart,
Yeah, that's it.
Uncle Robert had at a one part.
Super one part.
No, it's a lady. Next time you not do it. Next time you not do it, lady. Next time you not do it. Nasty woman. Next time you not do it at water. Mr. Guy. Mr. Uncle Robert no have no filter. Uncle Robert, look for the big woman in her life. But she wrong still, you know. Cause she come over for suicide. And now move. Next time you not do it, lady. Nasty woman, you know what? And when your belly full, you're still looking.
Yeah, man.
Oh, Uncle Robert, because again, I don't know nobody else. My mouth, yeah, you know, I think trouble nobody.
Uncle person want to see him when they need him.
Oh, brother, them live loving. Man, them boss, you see.
You want KFC?
My boss, uncle them. You know, want KFC?
KFC? Do you want?
If we want KFC,
Yeah, we're gonna have KFC with my niece today.
yeah, we might want KFC today after we drop off Browning. So Browning, you're not gonna get no KFC now.
My belly can't long so much time for you.
Yeah, Mega Mart. I like cake. Which one? Which size? Which type? Cheese cake, plain cake, icing cake. Which type? Which type? Cake. Which type?
Cake.
What you know? Oh, okay, look.
You're not going to get your car.
No, Greg Michael, no. Question answer. I don't think she got upstairs. She was at shop. When you have Wi-Fi? When you have Wi-Fi?
You can curry. Look what I found.
Oh my God.
It's a hot and cold
Look at
bag.
it says hot or cold.
Hot or cold?
Or
Look at-
frozen up to 3
Looking
hours.
nice. I think I like it too.
Up to 3 hours.
You're working at the hair salon. I think you should need one of these.
Yes. Let's go. I got a customer. She's waiting on you.
I said,
No, we don't get what she wants.
And then her phone is not picking up.
Right.
So next
You
time.
don't get what she wants, leave it alone.
Leave it alone. Wanna concern you, leave it alone. If you not get what person want, leave it alone.
What you want?
Uncle Robert, the next time I meet lady.
I think that is very critical about what she
Yeah, come on back. Going outside back. Outside back. Outside use it back. Outside use it back. Outside use it back. Reverse, no use it back. Outside use it back.
Yeah, girl.
Oh, me I go outside back. You go outside back. I'm going outside.
I'm going outside.
No back, not supposed to be
Reverse, no use with back either. Reverse a back
I
already.
reverse a back already.
Outside, you know.
You know, outside use it back.
Outside back.
Cannot reverse back. I'm going outside, I'm going outside.
Yes.
We're not going outside back. We're done with back.
Now reverse back. Like this, them carry reverse back. So we carry not reverse back. We carry just reverse.
Mercy God.
Guys, I'm out.
Uncle Wop say lady not still in our way out there so. Guys, we are going to help her this evening. I will carry the Uncle Robert. Watch your road.
Policeman you're talking about. Watch your car.
Watch your car, right?
Bike in that driveway.
I said, why? Nobody not drive it.
I'm showing somebody, but in black.
In black down there, sir?
Down there, so. Back to this.
Mr. Guys, now our markets we're going out of Fairview, so how we ended up in this?
I don't know. That's what I'm thinking too. What kind of car is this even?
Can I carry this? Because I swear our markets me going out of Fairview, you know.
Well, you leave the markets around.
Me leave the
here.
markets.
Yeah. So we got a different car.
I serious thinking of Brownhill.
Yeah, we leave the market. Yeah.
Brownhill. You don't believe me say?
That's good enough. We got
Swear our
video
markets we
pure.
going out of Fairview.
Why
You know, sister, we have to approach the car
Why you
here.
never do a better thing? We got the video crew with me.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
So no look out for this. Me I post
We
it
check somewhere else or
tonight.
tomorrow. We'll let
Yeah, if me have time, phone
check
charge or
again.
something. If not tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yes. So me say, guys, we are gonna leave out from Mega Mall again.
Yeah, and we're gonna be in town.
We're going in town. We're going to KFC later. Later
Yeah.
from now, we're going to KFC. We're going to
Yeah,
eat
talk like my friend.
La Belle Skip.
KFC, go to get a famous bowl.
Yeah. but first we're gonna leave Shauna at work.
Yes. We're gonna leave Sha. We're
Sunshine
gonna leave the
Plaza Road.
hairdresser.
You know where that is, Uncle Rob?
Yeah,
Yeah.
we're going now.
I know why Uncle Rob don't look so short in the car. It's the seat. That's why. Because when we saw him driving back, when we saw him driving
Una
back,
press
I'm
like it.
like, why
Una
look
make
so
sure una press
small?
like. More
So
so
short.
share up the video. It's a family vlog. I don't know. One of the best family on earth. Family over everything. Chat and program. Everybody on the chat and program. Big up on yourself. Push it, face it, nasty good. With the vlog. Big up yourself. Roll it, destination. Big up yourself. Anti-poo check. We can't find the egg for you now. Answer your phone. And anti-poo check. Anti-pet. Anti-pet. Anti-pet, we get you now answer your phone and we trying to find the cake for you now, Anti-pet.
I mean, I got me hungry belly baby.
Our Hungry Belly Baby is right over there.
Blue, give me
That's Hungry Belly Baby and this is Chinatown. And this is Sweet Ever Mongoose.
Every single time.
Uncle Runaway
Runaway come back is here and me, Uncle Runaway come back with there. Yeah.
Every single time, I swear. Anything.
I forgot to add me back because the phone it crashed my other phone and I didn't have.
You know say if me check in and start a vibes, Browning then come in.
Yeah.
You know Browning if me check in and start a vibes. Yeah,
we can be,
because even Melton, right now if you check in, Melton always
We
active.
can send the picture them in there and just start up back.
The police is on the road. He's directing traffic.
Oh my god.
Go.
You call him traffic police.
That's an officer. So Uncle Percy see the red seam there now.
Yeah, yes.
Yeah.
And the man said they stop wearing.
Yeah, he said some of them still
Oh,
wearing.
yeah. The back one.
Let's
them
see
look like-
officer.
And me pick up Jamaica.
You Just store Brownie number as Hungry Baby in your phone. So when she call her Hungry Baby come out. Jesus Christ.
Who's this?
Yes, remember him. Yes, remember him. In dead?
No.
Him dead when
No, but
dead.
when they ask Becky about him, Becky when they ask about him today.
Oh,
So Rob then knows
That is
Becky know him,
Rasta
so
name.
say,
She said she's still on a mature.
look, see, I'll be like
Fighting, I know.
Black and India too.
yeah.
A long time I not see me not even remember about that man there.
I'm inside me, I didn't send your contact in that group. We delete.
We're on the bridge. This bridge is.
People them are not true.
Wow.
You see them?
Tons of
Oh
pictures.
yeah, on Cavan. That's a long time. Oh, I remember that pitch. We took a lot of picture there. That was Dan's River. You remember that time?
You know,
That was a very, very nice trip. I enjoyed myself.
I do.
Oh, children never there. Yeah.
I enjoyed myself. The trip was nice.
Mel, you have to add her.
I mean, me admin.
Yeah.
Box
You
cover.
Renee, because I Renee create.
And cook and back wash.
Me admin. Hey. Today admin to guys. We have football field in Jamaica and guys playing football over there. Look,
Oh no.
they're playing football over there. Okay. You want to roll, so you get dirty. Uncle Robert say I hold it here in my drive, and he know a place, and he's a big driver. And he say when he go feel license another day, you see Browning, he say when he go feel license, then just dash it on him without warning other day. Big saying get the biggest license ever when they have in assisted. He say him man look on him and tell him say, sir, if we did have a bigger license, you get it here. he say Uncle Robert.
You get a big oil license, a big.
Birds, man, funny water.
4,000, I tell everybody they can't believe.
Guys, that's Pier 1 over there.
Yeah?
Camera look like I should have zoomed it in. Pier 1. And that's not funny without one. Chuno, you have license, Chuno?
Me.
Ronnie, you have license?
I have, but it's not that big, you know.
Oh my God. I don't have. As for me, I don't have. That is the reason why I don't drive. Because I license I don't have.
See, can't you? At the bus, she come down and concentrate.
Why you there looking like that? You never see people before. Oh my God. What is wrong with this
I wish I could tell my friends so you guys should do the same action because that's for them.
Hey, when I went one time ago, I met someone on TikTok with the same accent. I just play along. We had a nice conversation because I talk like them and I behave as if I was an African.
So funny.
People we have madman on the road, you don't call them homeless man out here, you call them madman. When they're in a foreign, you find a homeless one. Them want a real full-fledged madman. Them want it. So we know a little bit of traffic.
My friend was on Nigerian and then they found different time.
Ah.
It's another friend.
This is the old
All the friend names so friend.
tax office. Oh, she's sound French. She's sound French fry. This is the old tax office. They had to remove from there because the building inside is going to collapse in the head. It's sinking, it's coming way down, it's coming. It needs to repair, but because the size of this side, I don't know if it can be repaired. Oh, grammar can't talk good enough. You get ticket for every little thing out here, but you can't travel with the ticket. The ticket when you get out here, you know, Browning, so you can't travel with it. The ticket when the police them give you out here.
You can't travel with it?
So
Yeah, you travel go anywhere now. Browning, but you're not easy. When you get tickets for go foreign, you not travel go foreign with you, you go foreign. So when police get ticket out here, anywhere in Jamaica you want travel with the ticket where they get you travel with it, but you see they make a date pass, like they make a date a foreign pass, you know, come back.
Miss you.
Yes, your immigration that look for you out there. Police find you down here and run your license and give you another ticket. Yeah, so yeah, when you get ticket out here, people, you travel whole Jamaica with the ticket from the police. So if you didn't know, you know how. Yeah, you travel whole Jamaica with the ticket when police give you. And it have expiration date. Guys, we are Harbour City. Stoplight. You know, see how we next to go through, but the policeman say we have to stop, so we have to stop. Uncle Robert Bex, you know, cause he not like that. And you see if I never police you that here, dirty man. Nasty man. No, call him saying Uncle Robert. Please, damn out that you get ticket. So we're going to Sunshine Plaza.
But look funny, them nowadays and like night time.
You see big difference?
Like girl.
Yeah, a whole lot because they have ear and they have earring and them bleach out and they something and them pants tight and them pants short.
They look more masculine.
Some of them look like a some skittle boom. Some of them, if you ever say nothing to some of them bomb up fire.
That's true.
First time I know everything changed still. Music.
Okay, sir.
No, just
I drive with the big driver. Cool though, in here no hot. But then a browning workplace. Camera charge same time.
Okay.
It's the 3 bed.
Guys, I want to show you the shop.
It's 3 bed. It's looking good.
It can't go on the other. It's only one view. It's only this view.
Alright, so you can turn it around.
Like this. Oh, I get it now. I'll just do you. Say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog. Guys, this is Jenny. Ready?
Anytime.
There's a scene over there. I'm training. This is me. Say hi to the vlog. Ready?
She can't do your move too. Can't say when you
Yeah, we'll bye. We're not gonna disturb you anymore. We'll get the flow. Bye. Where's up? This way.
Mercy, oh the hell!
I was watching you. That's all. I was watching you.
So with the inside I cannot clean it now and we're gonna get some good stuff. You know, say me just feel say Uncle Percy say let's walk this way purposely because he want me to see so they cannot clean it the right here, so I'm here walk past it. Yes, me know say it was there, but me never remember. That's why you even see Lily make attempt for pass. But honestly, I would never pass the canna clinic. I don't see it. Me, I go recognize that. So we inside and we are trying to choose the one we want. But the one we me choose is Ghost Train. See me up on the right there, so yeah, it named Ghost Train. So I never tried that one them. I don't think me ever tried that one before. So me and Uncle Percy, we're gonna try it. Guys, me don't know how this is gonna work out, you know. But as me telling you, we have a wonderful time. So please like and share up the video. Me not have telling you one more thing. I want to know watch the ads them. Okay guys, please me I beg you know watch the ads as soon as the ads them pop up. Big up to all of my fans in the comment section, and you don't know how things set. So guys, me I go look for the name of my place outside and come back and tell my cousin come my name member. Cannabis, it's a cannabis place.
Okay, it says kind of funny. Yeah,
It's a cannabis for you guys.
okay.
This is what is inside. Okay, so music I play inside. I don't know how that go. I have to voice over the part here again, cause we don't want no copyrights. So when we leave here, we're gonna go get something and eat, and then after that we're going to use up with good stuff. So guys, stay tuned. Yes, you're gonna need a big one.
Just don't touch it.
You open like this, don't touch.
Don't smell, don't go too close though.
No. It's like that one. How much for that one?
4 or 5.
I am going to give you just a little piece.
No.
We have bigger size.
No, we don't want bigger size.
You don't want bigger size, but you're going to get small amount from this.
No,
From me to you.
I'm here, yeah, use the
That's it?
yeah.
And hash. We get hash every Thursday. Like big hash when we go movie. Fallon always bring hash because we like it.
I'm gonna act like I know what that is.
Ah, that's
This
hash.
one?
That's hash. But them are really small ones. You can make it and it's just big and broad. You break it up. Well, me think I eat that now. Think we done by. So we are gonna make our way outside. But as me leaving for go outside, and you know me stand up and look around the place, something comes to mind. And me I say, but me can't leave because I don't sign my name as yet. So guys, me have to sign my name before me come out here, so you know. Yeah, because when me buy down at the canna clinic down on the grill, me always sign my name on the walls and all both in the place. So see where I make a attempt to come out, and then me remember say me have to go back inside because guess what? Girl grab the marker. And when I grab the marker, me say sign, me I go sign. So see me I look one spot. Yeah, me I look one spot and me I show Uncle Percy say you need to sign a name. But the first marker when me take up now works so properly. Me I tell him and say get me a next marker, but him anxious for sign. Him take the marker from me, ready for sign for him name with the done marker. Me go and get a different one because guys, me now left and me not sign my full name in here, so see me going back to the wall right there, so and big up to me Dr. Cousin behind the camera. Yeah, big up to my cameraman at the moment, my camera lady. She make sure say she catch everything. So see me sign actress Shayna right there up on the wall, and then I went over that side and I sign it over there so again, you know, people look. See? Actress Shayna 2 times right there, so. And then me I think about it and I say I find a next spot. And I find a next spot, I say the channel name need to go down here so too. So guys, watch me in the paper them place. Actress Shayna again over there, so. And you don't know the channel name, I forgot the car. People for watch movie on Talk Up TV 1. How them feel like. Yes, so I leave it right there, so anybody come in and see it, you can just follow the page, subscribe, You know, watch out the Jamaican movies them over Talk Up TV1. So I think we're done with in here so for right now. So I'm gonna be on my way, guys. Just stay tuned for more. Look funny sign over there so one more time again, no man. Actually share Talk Up TV1 to the world. You understand, guys? Peace out until later again.
I'm off again,
You want some to rub?
Alright, night I come down. I left my flashlight and I use unplugged with still. And we are going to drive out again. I'm running hairdresser place, so we are going KFC, Kentucky Fried Chicken. With their Sunshine Plaza. KFC, are you deaf? You don't hear well. Uncle Robert said Uncle Person will get KFC a foreign. So I love you all there.
Only line not too bad. See that black car, so you'll catch it.
Now go how many parts?
You can go over there even.
Okay. When we buy, we go over there?
You can.
You can go anywhere that you want to go. I mean, you're the tourist. Yeah, you can chill.
Yeah.
Go on, Rob. Go on over here so we
Anything that you
go.
want to do, you can do.
There's space there.
Uncle Person, next
Go
time
and
when
catch
you
the line before
come,
people rob.
next time when you come,
Yeah, look,
stay
the line
for
is
2
empty.
months.
Look where are you going? Oh, you have to go.
Oh yeah, because
yeah.
it's right here, so.
You shot me out. You take so long for Benny. For them,
So
join the
just a
line.
bend,
Yeah, look at this.
just going
You know, we
around.
started the line all the way down there.
Oh, with the behind on the black car. It's not too long, no.
Don't let me say, you know how we took 15 minutes to move from that little post right there.
I'll take me for no driver.
We know say you have the biggest license, the big killy buck. If they will have bigger, you get it.
What are the last biggest
The
one there?
last biggest license you get.
My last biggest license?
Yes, and now you get
No,
it.
but I have one more to get when we fly in the year.
I'm good at 2 come down for a special. Oh, you want the pilot license?
Yeah.
Then time that we don't have to pay plane fare if you come and fire it. We don't have to buy a ticket if you fly plane.
No, that one I think is one.
Oh, you're going to need one plane for yourself if you're going to plan
Private
for
jet.
yeah.
Oh, God. So what do you want? Pick one
Guys, let me
more.
see,
No,
man.
we want.
Me want one barbecue zinger Farage.
Barbecue with him.
Zinger Farage. I'm just going to
want
tell you
the
what I
usual.
want. Because I have to carry something Farage. I did a cook.
Let me see if I
How
can
you
put
cook
on
for
my
I don't know.
It's not Nigerian friendly.
No?
You should have talked about go. If you want to get rid of it, come out and carry and left we have gone.
So now you're too much nothing.
Then we not
I'm
see nothing
using
because we
my
are
phone. I'm
right.
chilling.
Okay, all right then.
fine.
All right, then fine. My person already.
We are going Shannon under there, man.
Oh, we Pashana too. Come on. I know me. You know every time you eat, you know where they go.
Let's see, Papa, when we have go over there, so strong little bonus split for
Going over there when we are through, guys. We're going over there. Guys, I want family day
And I rub the
out.
orange one everybody.
No,
Okay.
no, but you know when you go up
Because of your
Come
time.
now, you know say when you go up here one.
That means that we not hurry.
All right,
Because
The hurry.
all right, sir. All
we
right.
pray more and talk less. That's why we not keep talking. Yeah.
Okay.
Because my uncle person I pray the
Yeah.
this up the ghost train we buy a while ago. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, I mean I forgot get whiz line and blame to blame this thing. Uncle, I mean have you?
Wow.
The ghost train.
Last year, you go back and still go
I found
buy
it.
the money. You last year.
I want a whole heap of money for this, you know, guys. 4,000. 4,000. A 4.8 or a 4.5. 4,000 whole heap of $100 for this. It's ghost train. After you use this, then it turn into ghost. Uncle Percy have to get only one little piece because he will be flying back to England, so he can't take much.
Can you imagine if Uncle Robe the smoke?
We'd have to watch him and run him down, you know, kind of head of the hat. Uncle Robert head of the hat. Nobody couldn't bad drive him on the road if he wanna skip on a drive. Uncle Robert said, don't do it. Don't do that again. Don't do that again. You told her that nasty woman. I think alright, Harmony Park, we there go eat now. KFC. Nobody does it better. Then we no people. People come over here to see. Hey! Watch your taps and nobody know over here. People come to see.
That's what you call them.
Hey, what you call them? They are no people. We have a Harmony Park.
They eat
Over,
KFC.
we eating KFC. Don't know if you're over here, so fireworks keep. Over here, nice. I want a nice cool spot on the beach. No, there.
No fries.
Your fries finished?
No, yeah. I'm having results off of me. I have Percy.
Are you eat all your fries, Uncle Percy?
Okay.
It's weird, it done.
I wonder what Percy is off of me fries.
Okay.
Are you lying? You can't.
I can't believe.
No, I'm pretty good in there.
That's so terrible.
Yeah, I think you have
He eat out for your Uncle Robert.
Yeah.
well,
Oh,
I must see short meat, I must see woman.
He trying more help.
Because if you are happy, you with chips. I was going to
Percy
put the
terrible.
I must start from the chips and then we say no,
And then
I'm designing
yeah, you change.
You never change back the chips.
That's so terrible. I mean, it's a lover's park. It's a lover's park. That's what you come over here to do. Nobody not travel here. Them not gonna tell you no. How you have somebody to carry your wife over?
Yes, ma'am.
You wanna know? Me say, Uncle Percy start eating wrong chicken, he eat the wrong fries. And when he realize say another box their wings in a, he switch the box and start eating fries out of the next box. That's why Uncle Robert end up not getting no fries in a fame. And he dey tell lie about say woman them serve food shortening fries. Lie! What can go so? What can go so? You have made it to the end of the video. Thanks so much for watching. And guys, I know so you enjoy it, you know. So in case you never remember to press like, you still can press the like button, share the video also, yeah, and leave a comment. So stay tuned for more vlog coming. You understand? And I mean, so big up on yourself and to everybody we are coming. I'ma post them. Big up on yourself. Irish Jamaica. Big up yourself. Right through. All of my supporters, my fans them. Heart of love. I don't know, it's actress Shayna. Peace out.